Vice President, Vibrant Club of SRMS Institute of Paramedical Sciences. Apart from showing excellence in the academic field, our college provides equal opportunities in the extracurricular activities. Here, the students are not only bound with the books, but also gets numerous chances to showcase their talent in stage and field as well. Starting from the investiture ceremony, then freshers party, and then we head towards our annual fest in SEPTRA and Para-Expo. Then ending the year with the farewell party, everyone gets numerous chances to participate and freshen up their minds from the academic session.
So, we are here enjoying our deco session for the upcoming event.
As SRMS IPS organizes various cultural activities every year. From all these activities, the students get the chance to enhance their internal activities, internal talents. From all these events, the students get a chance to participate in every cultural activities which motivates the students.
Thus, from all these activities, apart from being academics as well as co-curricular, the students learn how to manage time for the various sessions.
These activities have always proven to be a cornerstone of holistic education and help each one of us in nurturing the intellectual, emotional and social development. Thank you.